Welcome back, my dear ethical hackers. So far, we have scanned multiple IP addresses. Now, what if we want to scan different IP ranges? What if we want to scan some websites and some IPs in one single command? Can we create a list of the IPs to be scanned? Yes, we can. In this video, we are going to learn exactly how to do that. This will be in two steps. The first step is, first we will have to create a list of the IPs that you wish to scan, and then we will be giving the command to scan that list in one single go. Let's do that hands-on. So what we are going to do is we'll go to Kali, add in Kali. Let's clear out the screen here. Let's just go to Kali, and first we will create the list of the IPs to scan. I will just create sudo nano, and you can just call it scan list.txt. Remember, you can give it any name you like. I'm just giving it a easy to remember name, sudo nano scan list.txt. So here we have a scan list.txt. Now here you put whatever you wish to scan. So maybe you want to scan certified hacker.com. You want to scan testphp.web.com. You want to scan udemy.com. You want to scan, let's say, a couple of IP addresses. .138.137. This is my metasploitable. 168.38.32. This is the Kali, and so on and so forth. You can scan a series of IP addresses. You can keep on putting a lot of IP addresses. Once you are done with all those IP addresses, you can just write out this file. Control O to write out. It's asking for the name. Just press enter. The file has been written. Control X to exit. So Control O to write out, Control X to exit. Fine. Part 1 of the mission is accomplished, ls. And you will see that we have a file called scanlist.txt. There it is. So you can just check out nano scanlist.txt. That's it. The file has been created successfully. Control X to exit. And now let us give the command to run this. Sudo nmap -st, and then give it -il for IP, L for list. So this is the list of the IPs that I want to scan. Give it a name, scanlist.txt. So the -il command will search for this particular IPs and will scan all those IPs. If you press enter, now the scanning of all of these IP addresses will start. So that's all for this exercise. We'll stop this and let's take a look at what we just did. So as you can see, we first created a scanlist.txt. We populated some websites and some IP addresses. We put them there. We saved the file with a Control O and press enter, and then Control X to exit. So the file scanlist.txt was saved, and then we went and we typed nmap -st -il, that is IP list, and give the name, and that's it. All the steps, these are the steps where we can use to scan a list of different IPs in one single command. That's all for this video, guys. See you in the next video.